pick up some papayas, for me to eat.
Oh.
For Mr. Gibbs also.
Are you feel hungry?
Kinda. I'm feeling famished right now.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Wait a minute. It's really huge papayas. I need to find a stem.
I think you must get to the fruit, not to the stem.
So the fruit maybe right here.
No, you can from yeah,
This one
from below,
from below it.
and then you shake it. Oh
I
my
almost
god.
fall. It's quite heavy.
Oh, it's slippery, huh?
Yeah, it's quite heavy. Okay. I need to retain my process.
Oh, that's it. Careful. Wow.
I got it.
Yeah, that's great. Let's eat it. Oh my gosh.
Am I like a monkey?
You like sum gokong.
Kinda. Okay, I get it, guys.
Yeah.
It's really big.
Oh, it's yellow.
Yeah.
I think it's.
I hope it's ripe.
Yeah, I hope to.
Come on, then.
Let's go.
Let's eat together.
Oh,
I can. I just can. I'm not a sunggok. I'm feeling normal.
you like sum gokong if you do that.
I will across the normal road.
Yeah. Let's see. We get to the center.
Finally, we almost arrived. Now we are already in our shelter, guys.
Yeah. Okay then.
And we're gonna eat all of these papayas.
Okay.
Yeah, my pretty catch.
Oh.
It's alright.
Yeah, it's okay. Good. Okay, let's do it.
Let's eat.